Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are counting down the top 3 best ultrasonic retainer cleaners you can grab on Amazon right now. Whether you wear aligners, retainers, night guards, or just want a quick, hygienic clean for toothbrush heads and jewelry, I've tested the common specs so you can decide which pod fits your routine. Let's dive in. 1. Zima Dental Pod Ultrasonic Retainer Cleaner. Compact pod for aligners and retainers. This little Zima dental pod uses high-frequency ultrasonic waves, around 42 kHz, in a compact stainless or ABS shell to produce gentle cavitation that lifts plaque and stains from clear aligners, retainers, night guards, and small jewelry. It typically features a 200 ml tank, quick one-button cycles, and an included cleaning basket and lid so you don't splash, handy for bathroom counters and travel. On Amazon, this model commonly lists in the entry-level range, often around $30 to $60, depending on color and seller, and usually includes a short warranty and a 30-day return window. Pros: designed specifically for dental appliances, compact and travel-friendly, easy one-button operation and gentle on plastics. Cons: small capacity, only one appliance at a time, not for large items, and power durability can vary between batches, so check the seller reviews. 2. Upgraded 45 kHz ultrasonic retainer cleaner, 200 ml, multi-use pod. This upgraded model advertises a 45 kHz ultrasonic frequency and a 200 ml tank aimed at deeper cleaning for dentures, retainers, toothbrush heads, and small jewelry. Many variants add UV or LED sanitation, multiple timer modes, example 369 minutes, and a detachable inner basket for easy rinsing. It's marketed as a step up for everyday oral appliance hygiene while staying compact. Current Amazon listings for similar, upgraded pods usually fall into the $25 to $55 band depending on seller discounts and included accessories. Pros: slightly higher frequency for stronger cleaning on plastics, versatile uses, brush heads, jewelry, and multiple timing modes. Cons: still small capacity. UV claims vary by model. Not all versions include effective UV sterilization, and long-term reliability varies by brand. Read return warranty terms. 3. Ultrasonic Retainer Cleaner 45 kHz, 2025 upgraded with UV and multimode. This widely sold 2025 upgraded style cleaner, many sellers use similar specs, touts 45 kHz cavitation, a 200 ml tank, built-in UV lights, and multiple cleaning modes to target heavier stains on aligners, dentures, night guards, and small metal pieces. Some product pages highlight additional features like digital timers, removable trace, and an emphasis on being safe for most dental plastics while delivering a deeper daily clean. Price on Amazon for these upgraded units tends to sit around $30 to $70 depending on whether UV or extra accessories are included. Pros: robust cleaning for daily dental hygiene, includes UV for an added hygiene step on many listings, and usually comes with an accessory basket. Cons: UV effectiveness depends on design and isn't a replacement for chemical disinfection when medically necessary. Identical-looking models from different sellers show mixed reviews on longevity and noise level. That's the quick roundup. Small travel-friendly pods if you want portability and a gentle clean, or the upgraded 45 kHz units if you want stronger cavitation and extra timer or UV features. If you want, I can make a one-slide comparison, capacity versus frequency versus best use. Next, tell me which spec you want ranked first and I'll drop it in the next video.